If you have only one head lice, do you know how well in just 1 month? Hearing the answer will make you scratch your head. You would think that the leaves on your head are like a dense forest, and lice are the inhabitants of that forest. They stay in warm and safe places all the time. The main functions of lice are two. One is to feed on blood from your scalp, and the other is to lay eggs. Female lice lay 6 to 8 eggs every day, and these eggs are stuck to the hair follicle with a sticky substance that is almost as strong as superglue, so they cannot be washed or scratched off easily. Now find out the real science. It takes only 7 to 9 days for a baby lice to hatch from an egg, and that baby lice becomes an adult in just 9 to 12 days and starts laying eggs on its own. A female lice can lay about 300 eggs in its entire life. The great creator has given the lice a special structure on its legs with which it can grip the hair root incredibly tightly. This is why lice do not fall off easily, even by shaking the head or washing it with water. And since many eggs and many generations keep reproducing together, the number increases rapidly. And the most surprising fact is that if a person has just one pregnant female louse on his head, then within just 1 month, more than 100 lice can form on that head. That is why if one person has lice in school, it spreads to the entire class. The speed of reproduction of this small creature created by the great creator is truly incredible. Why do sparrows always enter your house, balcony, and even kitchen among thousands of birds? Why do they like to stay so close to humans instead of the forest? You will be surprised to know the real reason. Look, when we go to a new area, the first thing we do is search. Where can we find food? Where is a safe place to live? Sparrows also do the same thing. Human homes are a huge food storehouse and a safe shelter. Food, crumbs, and grains fall where we live. Again, birds of prey such as hawks or eagles cannot easily come there. That is why sparrows intelligently build nests near humans, just like we look for homes in safe areas. Scientists have found through research that sparrows are a commensal species. This means that animals have adapted to living with humans. The great creator has created this small bird in such a way that both their body and nature are compatible with the human environment. Their small size, fast flight, and ability to build nests in any empty space, such as AC vents, ceiling cornices, or house ventilators, help them survive with humans. For thousands of years, sparrows have been living alongside humans since humans began farming. Because fields and barns were a readily available source of food for them. But the most surprising fact is that sparrows are so smart that they can recognize which people are safe for them and which people are dangerous. Studies have shown that once a person chases or tries to harm a sparrow, the bird can remember the person's face and avoid him later. Imagine, even with such a small brain, it can recognize people. It's really amazing. Do you know why a barfish slips even when you hold it in your hand? You will be surprised to hear the real secret behind this. Imagine putting soap on your hand, then if you want to grab something, it slips, right? Barfish also have something like this on their body. They have a slimy, sticky coating all over their body. This is called mucus. This coating is so slimy that even if you squeeze it tightly, the fish slips out of your hand. The great creator has designed this fish in such a way that it can protect itself. Now let's know the science. This mucus is actually a type of complex protein and sugar mixture called glycoprotein. This layer is not only slippery, it is a protective charm for the barfish's body. This mucus protects it from bacteria and parasites in the water. In addition, barfish move through mud. They burrow into holes at the bottom of the river and sit. Without this slippery coating, the fish would get stuck in the mud. When predators such as snakes, birds, or large fish try to catch it, the fish can also escape from its mouth due to this mucus. This is its biggest protection charm. But I haven't told you the most surprising fact yet. The fish can survive for a long time without water. because it can breathe through its skin, much like our lungs.